friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of August 30th through September 5th. And today I'm going to use that kit I picked up from SammyLynnPlanning, as well as this washi from Simply Gilded. I believe this one's called Blush Baby. I can't remember because it's been a while, but I'm pretty positive. So let's get started. We do have a lot of different things going on for the month of September. I'm going to get my sticky note here to make sure I get everything written down that needs to be written down, and also to decorate. I am going to need a meal plan sticker too, and I didn't really get something for that. I always like starting with my sidebar because it's easy. I know what I'm going to do. Maybe we'll do this part first. All right. So this is the tall vertical kit because I wanted to see if it would match up a little better with the Happy Planner. It's not bad. I'll take that. I know it's not straight. It'll only bother me a little bit. I think what I want to do this time is maybe corner to corner like that. And then that guy there. This guy here. I got these last two. Where do I want to put them? Might have to think about that. It's kind of like, maybe they'll go in the sidebar. Maybe. Possibly. We'll hold that to the side. All right, next I want to do some washi just to like zhuzh that up a bit. All right, washi is down. Let's go ahead and get some boxes because I know I need those for this week. I think we're gonna do kind of some layering here because there's lots of appointments and just the things, always the things. Poor little Sharpie dog is so itchy. He does get his Cytopoint shot though on Friday, so that'll be good. Poor little man. Then we need a chores list. We'll put that on Saturday. I'm just not having luck laying stickers down straight today. Goodness. There's that one. I'll add some more of these checklists just because I think I'm going to need them this week. Let's put one here. And we'll do one up here. Awesome. Thursday is also game night, so we'll throw that on there. And maybe for meals, we'll do, well first, I want to use these last two boxes, so that all the full boxes are taken care of. Put this one here. See, just a struggle getting the stickers down straight this week. Okay, there's that guy. Actually, I think what I might, I have to use two. I mean, I wouldn't have to, but put that guy there. Let's do meal plan there. And I guess I could use a checklist. There's only 5 bullets, but that's okay. I usually end up having leftovers or we eat out one of the days, so we can make that work for meals this week. I'm double checking. That one. That one. Awesome. We have everything down. And I think that's going to be it for this spread. This is one of those, like, comes together quickly. I love using kits when I just need something to get down as fast as possible. So yeah, this kit is from SammyLynnPlanning. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And then again, the Simply Gilded Washi, if I can find a link for that one, I will make sure to throw that one in there as well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you all in the next one.